The 3 best smoothies for weight loss. The Smooth Green. Benefits include increased metabolism, immune boosting, great tasting. Berry Belly Blast. Benefits include easy to make, great taste, high in vitamins essential for weight loss. Burn Booster. Benefits include high in vitamin A, immune boosting, extra fat burning. Here's a bonus tip. Try adding these for a fat burning boost. For more great tips, click the link in the description to check out the Smoothie Diet. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. This helps us greatly. Thanks for watching.